Great crowd here. Animated crowd, especially in the third set. The guys with the yellow balloons have come alive as they feel like their team is coming back. Taking a break from school to enjoy some incredible volleyball action at Volleyball Central, the arena in San Juan. Boom Gonzalez and Remulla. Mosey Ravenna on standby just in case. Atakihin kami sa puso. Yan, meron kaming backup. Mosey, of course, we welcome back from her trip. She's with her daughter, Danny, here. At salamat din, Mosey. Kanyang treat. In the meantime, UST ahead by 3. Let's check in with Patch Cansano.
First thing I heard in the huddle is tapos na ba? Second is ayaw nyo na ba? And third is laban naman dyan. Pep talk everywhere in the huddle kasi parang nawawala na ng sigla ang UST. This can be their last set. So Coach Audrey Strong said, you need to work on your teamwork. Help Rhea and help Jamie, their libero. This game is not just about attacking. First, get a good receive, hit the ball, and show some coverage. Ibalik ang sigla sa laro natin dahil ang crowd ng UST ay hindi mawawala ng sigla para suportahan ang team. Back to you, Bumnan.
Thank you very much, Patch. They're doing a lot better here. Oh, miscommunication between Ingrid and Micah. Yes, and she pointed it out. If they lose, this is the last set for this year for them. So, is this how you want to go away? I bet the answer is no. UST showing that now. 6 serving 9. Ateneo for the first time playing on the back foot. Set on the other side. Ortiz asking for it, but they go to the rookie. Ingrid trying to set it back. Still alive. Oh, what a sharp return. Coach Mamon asking for 4 touches.
Oh, look at...
Oh, Denden Lazaro with a reactionary dig. Ortiz off speed. Ferrer goes to the rookie.
Oh, look at that.
Yeah, great reaction by Ortiz. Joust at the net, 50-50 ball. One more time around the block.
A lot of drop balls here.
Oh, Ferrer diving, fans into it here. Valdez, this is not alive. This is still alive. Ferrer again. Ortiz puts it away. With the longest rally of the match, and look at this crowd.
We'll credit both teams for their good defense and coverage. Woo!
Ako napagod doon. May pagkain pa ba? Parang kailangan ulit.
More carbs.
Oh, wow. What a point. That is an exhausting point for the audience.
Lady Tigers.
Collegiate volleyball action at its best right now. Valdez, check. Lazaro has been solid today, and
that's why Ateneo is actually able to execute a lot of good attacks.
Shot, Reyes.
Ayang. Coach Ma.
Reyes, of course, a rookie here playing for UST.
Rhea de Magulang.
7-10.
Judy Caballero.
Jem Ferrer for Ateneo.
Morado. Judy from far out. Very much underneath that ball. Getting Ateneo back into this game, and that means Lastimosa will be dispatched. Ateneo will take a breather. She will get a quick blow from Coach Mamon. Ateneo down 4, now behind by 2. And they go back. And they go right away to Lastimosa. Ferrer behind.
Oh, violent.
Somebody touched the net. It was Zia, I believe. It was a good attack, though.
Good attack, but she touched the net.
Yes. Hindi nakuha ng UST dahil di nakita nila kung saan pupunta si Jem. But she just got too much behind it. So the lead again back to 3.
Very important for UST to maintain this lead.
Disguised. And again, the lift.
Anti-violation called on Valdez. The ball was actually set up a bit low. Valdez.
Yes, very much. Kaya hinabol niya ng kamay.
Or actually, rather, it was mistime. Mataas yung bola. Hindi lang tama yung timing ni Valdez.
Tip of her fingers, you can argue, but the call sticks. The UST was on the other end of a bad call also earlier. So,
Good block.
great block by Banaticla. Herbacio sends it home.
Puts it through.
An even better attack from Herbacio. Herbacio with very powerful hits
Yes,
today.
she has always been about power since her rookie year, but she has really known how to direct her attacks now. And you and Mosey have pointed it out so many times that she has settled into the role of not being the go-to girl. As Banaticla shows him how to do it
Random action.
on the other side.
That was the same angle, almost the same angle that Phil went for in
Yes.
the first set. I remember it very clearly. And Maru also showing na kaya-kaya rin yung gano'n.
Kaya talaga. We've seen some great attacks today from both sides. Ferrer sends it back. Wow!
Valdez through the block.
With the clenched fist.
But he's getting that attack through.
And just as we wondered about Minori Hirotsuji, she is checked in for the very first time to replace Jessie De Leon. Second-year player.
Eliza Valdez.
Now
For Ateneo.
getting into the action for the very first time. Great spot by Maru. Saw the opening.
Well-placed attack there. Not too much power, but she knew where she wanted to bring the ball.
Midori Hirotsuji.
Well, here we go.
The Lady Tigers.
Also from the UST high school program. Ferrer to Gretchen Ho. Lastimosa with a dig. Banaticla on the other side. 5-point lead, biggest lead for UST. And they're looking like they're back here. Their attitude, their swagger is back.
They just have to enjoy the game. And now that they're not down, they actually have the lead. Tama naman yun. They should actually enjoy the game. And it clearly works for them.
Yep. Bumawi si Herbacio. The lead is still 4. So Herbacio will go back to the service line. Down 4. And goes to the running, or the jump serve rather. Herbacio digs. He's still able to set that. Smart move by the veteran. And a second technical timeout. And for the second time, UST gets to it with the lead. Let's look at that again, fooling everybody else. Back in a moment.